In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a link to your site menu in Google Sites step by step so you can make your website more functional and user-friendly in just a few clicks. First, open your Google site and head over to the Pages section on the right-hand side. This is where all your site's pages and navigation settings live. Once you're there, look for the Add icon, the little plus sign, and click it. You'll see an option to create a new link. Click on that and a simple window will pop up. Here, you'll enter the name you want to appear in your site menu. This could be anything from blog to resources or even an external website you want to highlight. Next, paste or type the web address into the link box. Make sure the URL is correct because this is what visitors will be directed to when they click your menu item. Once you're done, hit done, and just like that, your link is added to your site navigation. You can even drag it to rearrange the order of your menu items, keeping your site organized exactly how you want it. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to add links to your Google Sites menu, making it easier for visitors to navigate and explore your content. Give it a try and watch your site become more connected and user-friendly in minutes.